Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Justin Patton with the Auburn University RFID Lab with our recap for the month of June. So at the beginning of the month of June, we went to the IATA and ATA meetings in Amsterdam. Cynthia went over there to visit. They did a little bit of work on baggage compliance with RFID tracking for baggage, and then also they've been continuing work on the ATA Spec 2000 for future compliance for RFID tagging for flyable parts and cabin compliance and things like that. Next week was GS1 Connect in Las Vegas. It was a great show this year. For those of you who aren't familiar, GS1 Connect is GS1 US's big annual conference. We had excellent turnout. We did a panel session focused on brand retailer data exchange. We had several brands that were part of that focus group. We actually did 2 sessions in a row where there was enough Q&A, and we actually had to cut off questions at the end, so it was really good. And then the second part of that meeting, blockchain. That's all everybody talked about for the last 2 days. York from Microsoft, which you mentioned before, he did a presentation as well. We had a role in that as part of that project that he's working on, Project Manifest, so it was great. We had a lot of follow-up from that meeting too. Finally, we've talked several times in the past about the brand retailer data exchange business value study. It's a mouthful, it's confusing. We wanted to simplify and make it a little bit easier, so we're just calling it Project Zipper. Essentially, we're zipping up data between the brand owners and the retailers. So right now we have 9 apparel brands and 6 retailers participating in this study. Just as a status update, we have 7 brands that we have infrastructure set up and we're receiving data, so everything's ready to rock and roll. We have 2 more brands that we're still in the process of getting the data streams aligned. We'll be all online in the next couple weeks. On the retailer side, we have 3 retailers that we're receiving data from, so we're ready to rock there. And we got 3 more retailers that we're working on setting up their data streams. So that's great. With 9 brands and 6 retailers, that's a lot of items crossing over back and forth. Just to restate the purpose of this project, we're looking at the business value for item level EPC data exchange from the brands to the retailers, focusing very heavily on the front end on claims, compliance, and electronic proof of delivery, vendor scorecarding, and then also looking at anti-counterfeiting and gray market diversion in the long term. We're working on incorporating blockchain back into there too. That's an important component. So we'll be able to use EPCIS as a data standard, and potentially blockchain as a medium for data exchange between those partners, so that everybody will be ready to deploy and implement this when we get out of the backside of the project. So excellent. Short update this month, more for next month. We'll see you back here in 4 weeks for our update in